friends. My name is Teacher Cheryl. I'm with Play to Learn Pierce County, a program powered by Green Trike and brought to us through the generosity of our sponsors and our partners, to whom we would like to say a great big thank you. And that's what we're talking about today, is ways to say thank you and people who are helpers in our lives. So our story today is called Thank You, Helpers. It's a very timely story by Patrica Hegarty and Michael Emerson. So we're going to think about a lot of helpers in our world, and then one way that we might be able to say thank you to them at this time of year when we're thinking about thankfulness. And friends, being able to recognize when we're grateful and who's being a helper to us, and then say thank you, is such an important thing in our lives. Everyone likes to hear thank you, and it's also good for us to realize who we are thankful for. So this world is full of heroes, and when the going gets tough, those heroes all get going. We can't thank them enough. 3 cheers for the doctors keeping viruses at bay. You are heroes, yes you are. Hip, hip, hooray. Let's hear it for the nurses tending patients all day long. You are heroes, yes you are. You're kind and brave and strong. Here's to paramedics who save so many lives. You are heroes, yes you are. We're sending you high fives. To each hospital worker for everything you do. You are heroes, yes you are. We owe our thanks to you. To caregivers for our loved ones, as you all play your parts. You are heroes, yes you are. We keep you in our hearts. We salute delivery people all across the land. You are heroes, yes you are, and you deserve a hand. Thumbs up to all the workers in vehicles and in shops. You are heroes, yes you are. You've pulled out all the stops. Hooray for grocery workers in each and every store. You are heroes, yes you are. We couldn't love you more. Let's not forget the teachers in classrooms and online. You are heroes, yes you are. You encourage kids to shine. Shout out to the volunteers who give their time for free. You are heroes, yes you are. On that we all agree. We're so proud of all our heroes, so we clap and shout and cheer. We're all in this together, and we'll get through it, never fear. So, some of the heroes that are in this story: doctors figure out what is wrong with us when we are sick and give prescriptions to help us get better. Nurses work hard to care for us and make sure we get the medicine and help we need. Paramedics are on the front line responding to emergencies, driving ambulances, and saving lives. Warehouse workers handle the safe packing and delivery of things from all around the world. All staff in hospitals have an important role to play, from the kitchen staff to the porters and the cleaners. There are millions of caregivers looking after loved ones in their own homes or working in nursing homes. Delivery workers travel far to make sure we have all the things we need. Volunteers help in the community by delivering food, helping neighbors, and fundraising. Grocery workers keep the shelves stocked in stores with food and everyday supplies. Teachers carry on with their lessons in classrooms or online so we can all keep learning. Transportation workers drive buses and trains so we can get where we need to be. Thank you, heroes. So I thought that one way that we say thank you a lot of times is by giving people flowers and cards. And so I thought that we could make some flowers. So you could draw flowers if you wanted to, or figure out other colorful ways to make beautiful flowers. One way that I thought of was to at my house, I have a whole bunch of leftover wrapping paper that I save after someone gives us a present. And I got some tissue paper. You can cut that into different sizes and shapes and colors, and then layer them together and take a pencil or a pen and poke it in the middle to make a kind of a place that you can twist like this. And that is a way to make a paper flower with all sorts of different colors. Then you unfold it a little bit so you can see all the different colors that are in there and make a beautiful paper flower. You could cut some of the petals and fringe them up if that seemed like a fun thing to do. And then you could put your paper flower on a pipe cleaner or a chopstick or a pencil, tape it onto there. You could put it in a vase like this and tape it to a vase. Or maybe you would like to put it on a sign. I made a sign to go with this activity. So I'm going to go ahead and tape this onto my vase so I have two pretty flowers like that. I wrote a sign that said, "Thank you, essential workers," which is another way of saying thank you to all of these people that were in the story that were here, that were called heroes in the story. Another word for them is essential workers, people whose help we need for everything to happen the way it needs to in our lives and in our days. So what I was thinking was that if you wanted to, you could make some beautiful flowers and a beautiful sign that says thank you to people. You might choose doctors or nurses or grocery store workers or teachers and make some flowers and a sign. And then maybe you want to post it on your social media, on your Facebook or your Instagram, or maybe you want to send it to me and I'll post it on our social media at Green Trike, from kids saying thank you to people who are helpers in our lives. And that can be such an important thing, to really think about the people who are our helpers and say thank you in the ways that we can. And I want to thank you, friends, for watching this video, for listening to the story, and for maybe contributing to an effort to thank our essential workers and our heroes. Bye-bye.